Like I said, motivated teams work together by promoting collaboration. It also minimizes conflicts and misunderstanding because the team has an understanding. They're looking for outcomes where in a micromanaged environment, they're looking for results. Oh, you want to know the difference, right? Here's an example I always use. And so if you heard this, please excuse me. Here's an outcome. We both have a piece of paper. You take the piece of paper and walk it over to the garbage can. I take a piece of paper and I shoot it in the garbage can like I'm playing basketball. The outcome was us to get the piece of paper in to the garbage can. I'd rather have outcomes than results because outcome speaks louder, again, subjective in my humble opinion, than any result will speak, because outcome is the end result, while results are patterns. Again, family, it's imperative that we understand that aspect, especially when we're in a true team that has a cohesiveness about themselves.